when one talks about Sabbath, more than the idea of resting, we need to go through the idea and even about the reality of worship. And in worship, one deals with a lot of black and white. Laws for worship and for the day of the Lord is there. But the Pharisees were so overwhelmed with the idea of celebrating Sabbath by simply observing what to do. Simply put, that the fulfillment of every Sabbath is to be a law-abiding citizen. And there is no problem with that. Pero sa buhay na pinapatotoo at ibinabahagi ng ating Panginoon, lalo't higit nung kanyang panahon, hindi lamang sa pagsunod nakasalalay ang pagsamba at ang araw ng pamamahinga. Jesus broke the thought and the reality that people has only to follow rules for worship. He introduced them service, care, and love in worship. Ganap na pagsamba dahil nagmamahal, naglilingkod, at nag-aaruga. This is very much true for us today. Wala namang masama na makita kung nagagawa ba ang mga dapat at ang mga hindi dapat sa pagsamba. Nagiging gabay ito para mas maging maayos at buo yung ating ginagawang pagsamba at ang biyaya ng pagsamba. Pero baka sa laging pagtingin o paghanap ano ang mali at wala, baka napapahina natin at ang napapahina natin ang nagpapatunay at nagpapaganap sa pagsamba. At walang iba kundi ang pag-ibig sa bawat isa. The Pharisees blinded themselves with this, as if it is much better to follow and set aside charity. My dear brothers and sisters, worship may not only lead us to be followers, but lovers of each other. Hindi lang tapat na tagasunod, kundi totoong nagmamahal sa bawat isa. Dahil ito ang tatak ng tunay na sumusunod at sumasamba. A true follower and a sincere lover. Kung ang mata ay lagi na lamang na naghahanap ng mali at wala, lalo't higit sa ginagawa nating pagsamba, baka hindi na tayo sumasamba. Worship is not about fault-finding. Worship is all about life-giving. And this is the fulfillment of every worship, that we follow what is asked of us, that we experience God sanctifying us and redeeming us, and in turn, we share what was given to us and what we have been blessed with. A threefold action. We follow, we are blessed, and we share. Let us make our worship whole by being faithful followers, open to the blessings of God, and generous in sharing the fruits of our worship by service, by care, and our love.